Manchester United have won their first trophy of the season.
We need to be quiet.
They played against Everton yesterday in a final match of the Premier League Summer Series. The game ending up 2-2. How they can win the trophy is a question. And me, I want to explain the purpose. Manchester United finished with 7 points from 3 matches in a Summer Series tournament featuring West Ham and Bournemouth. Manchester United here a top point among other teams. That's why they win it. But let me remind you, see, Manchester United will beat Bournemouth 4-0. Now you reach Everton, Manchester United 2-2. No worry, you go cry together. This is never start. You will just start. Before some of you go realize the whole world don't run leave us. Don't worry.